Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Dondiva Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Postgrad College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about aldehydes and ketones of 4th semester of BSc affiliated to Bangalore and Bangalore North University. Today I am going to discuss the 4th class of aldehydes and ketones. Therefore, aldehydes and ketones, that is the 4th. In this class, I have to discuss common properties of aldehydes and ketones, general mechanism of condensation with ammonia derivatives. Then first one is here condensation reaction with aldehydes and ketones with ammonia. Then condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydrogen. Then condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydroxylamine. Then condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with semi-carbazide. And second property, reduction of aldehydes and ketones using lithium aluminum hydride. And third one is reduction of aldehydes and ketones using sodium borohydride. These I have to discuss one by one in this class. Now first one is common property of aldehydes and ketones, in which the first one is general mechanism of condensation reaction with ammonia derivatives. When aldehydes and ketones react with ammonia derivatives, here ammonia derivative means one of the hydrogen of ammonia replaced by any group that is here taken as a Z. Therefore, it is called a Z, may be hydrogen or amine or OH group or NHCO NH2 group. And this is the became a derivative to form a compound containing nitrogen carbon double bond with liberation of water. Now this is the same here. This is the aldehydes and ketones with the reaction with this is the ammonia derivative. Here only water molecule is liberated here. This is the imine compound, that is just like a compound containing carbon nitrogen double bond will be a form. This is the final product. This is called as a condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivative, where Z is equal to H or NH2, OH or NHCO NH2. These groups will be there. Now mechanism of general reaction, mechanism of condensation of ammonia derivative. This is general one I have to discuss here. This is the takes place, that is the following steps. Step 1, attack the lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen in ammonia derivatives molecules on carbonyl carbon of aldehydes and ketones to form unstable quaternary ammonium compound. Now here this is the carbonyl compound, this is the aldehydes and ketones, and nitrogen containing, that is a lone pair of electrons. These electrons more electronegative, therefore takes away from towards the oxygen, and it became a negative, that is a positive one. These electrons are flow towards the positive carbon atom and to form this quaternary ammonium compound. This is the highly unstable one. Here that is the two charges will be there, one negative charge on the oxygen atom, positive charge on the just nitrogen atom, and this is the unstable. And second step will takes place, transfer of hydrogen ion or proton, hydrogen ion or proton of quaternary ammonium ion to the carbonyl oxygen anion to form, that is another unstable compound. Here this is the here unstable compound. This transfer the proton. Here are the flow of electrons. This is the electron charge. Electrons are flow towards this hydrogen atom, and it became a hydroxyl group, and these both the electrons takes away takes towards the nitrogen atom. It became a that is a this charge will be diminished, and it is a became a this like unstable compound will be formed. And here Z is equal to H NH2, that is same, that is a general one. Now third step goes to, that is a unstable compound rapidly loses a water molecule by transferring proton of nitrogen to hydroxyl group to form, that is a final product. Now here another, this is the unstable, and this nitrogen, no, it drag the electron towards this self, and this electron will be takes place, and here water molecule will be liberated, removed, and rearrangement is takes place. This is the carbon double bond nitrogen compound containing that is derivative of aldehydes and ketones takes place. This is the final product. Here Z is equal to HNH2 OH, and this group will be there, and this is about that is a general mechanism of that is a condensation reaction with ammonia of aldehydes and ketones. Now here there is a specific reaction we can ask by they may be in examiner, they may be asked that is a specific reaction by putting this value, and the resulting compound will be formed. Now come out, that is a example based on this value. I have to take that is a specific example. First one is condensation reaction of aldehydes with ketones, aldehydes and ketones with ammonia. Now here when aldehydes and ketones react with ammonia, when it is possible in this reaction, in above reaction means suppose we are putting the Z is equal to H, it became a that is a ammonia to form that is a imine derivatives of aldehydes and ketones with liberation of water. That is same here. Now in this aldehydes and ketones same here, and this is the ammonia here there. Derivative means putting only Z is equal to, in place of Z H will be a, just you have to blindly put there, and the product will be a takes place here. Simply liberation at place of Z you have to just you are putting H here, and water molecule will be formed. The imine compound of aldehydes and ketone will be formed. Now for example, specific example, specifically for formaldehyde, suppose H is R1 and R2 is equal to taken as a H, then it is a formaldehyde. Specifically formaldehyde when treated with ammonia, these 6 molecules and 6 molecule of formaldehyde specifically here, and to form that is a urotropin compound will be formed, and it is one of the drug which is used for that is a urinary infection. This is the structure will be this like, or you have to write that is a CH2 taken 6 times N4, or the structure will be this like, this is the just like a 6-membered ring containing that is a 3 carbon atom, that is a in 3 carbon atom, the alternatively there is a nitrogen atoms are there, and this nitrogen will be there, and therefore it is a urotropin, which is a very good drug which is used in the that is a urinary infection treatment. Now, and for suppose R is equal to 1 is CH3 and R2 is equal to H, then it became a acetaldehyde. Then it is ammonia. When acetaldehyde react with ammonia to form that is a acetaldehyde imine, and this will be undergo a trimerization, means this molecule undergo a itself joining the thrice, and to form that is a trimer, this like a benzene molecule, this like compound will be formed, that is a trimer. Suppose R1 and R2 is equal to methyl group, therefore acetone is the suppose we are taken here, then that is ammonia to form that is a acetone imine is the final product. This is about that is specific example for that is taking formaldehyde, then acetaldehyde and acetone. These are the specific example for taking that is a with the ammonia derivative. Ammonia, that is a with the specific ammonia, that is a hydrogen derivative of ammonia, that is a just we have to take on, and you have to write that is a mechanism. Suppose the examiner will be asked write the mechanism of condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia, means just you have to putting Z, and everything will be a same here by putting Z is equal to H, everything will be a same in 3 steps you have to write, and the resultant compound will be formed, that is same, that will be asked in exam also. Therefore note the putting Z is equal to H, the general mechanism reaction, and write the mechanism. This is for your that is a just homework for you people. Now coming to that is a second one is condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydrazine. It is a specific when aldehydes and ketones react with hydrazine, it is possible only in when Z place Z is equal to NH2 in general derivative of ammonia to form that is a hydrazone derivatives of aldehydes and ketones with liberation of water. Therefore aldehydes and ketones react with hydrazine by putting the NH2 in the Z place, therefore it became a hydrogen, and therefore this is aldehyde and aldehyde, or aldehyde, suppose it is aldehyde, then it became aldehyde hydrogen, or if it is ketone, then that is a ketone hydrogen will be formed. Example you have to quote here, suppose acetaldehyde, R is equal to CH3 and R1 is equal to H, then for acetaldehyde react with hydrogen to form that is a acetaldehyde hydrogen. Acetaldehyde, that is a hydrogen will be there. Suppose acetone R1 R2 is equal to CH3, then it is acetone. Acetone react with the hydrogen to form that is a acetone hydrogen with liberation of water molecule. Now come with that is a mechanism of that is a aldehydes and ketones with hydrogen. They may ask, for that you have to write that is a in general reaction I have written Z, in place of Z you have to put amine, it becomes a hydrogen, that is hydrogen, and you have to write that is in 3 steps. This is again homework for you people. And next come to that is a condensation reaction. Third one, condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydroxylamine, and this is possible only when when aldehydes and ketones react with hydroxylamine. Therefore Z is equal to OH to the form oxime derivatives of aldehydes and ketones with liberation of water. Here this is the aldehydes and ketones with a hydroxylamine here, and to form that is a aldoxime. Suppose aldehydes will be there, that is aldoxime, or if it is ketone will be there, this is the ketoxime will be formed with liberation of water. That is simply in the general mechanism, general reaction and general mechanism. You have to putting everything, you will get that is the answer. The name will be different, that's all. Now here example is nothing but suppose acetaldehyde, then it is aldehyde, then hydroxylamine, therefore acetaldehyde, acetaldoxime will be a final product with liberation of water. Suppose we take that is acetone, then it became a acetone oxime is the final product with liberation of water. Again the mechanism of they may ask as an examiner, write the mechanism of aldehydes and ketones, that is the mechanism of reaction between condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydroxylamine, means just you have to putting that is general in general mechanism of reaction, putting Z is equal to OH, and you have to write all 3 steps. And therefore again this is the homework for you people. You should be right, that is by putting Z is equal to OH in the first, that is general mechanism. Now come to that is the fourth one, that is condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with semicarbazide. When aldehydes and ketones react with semicarbazide, that is Z is equal to NHCO NH2 to form that is a semicarbazone derivatives of aldehydes and ketones with liberation of water. That is simply you have to take that is putting here Z value, you have to put that is a NHCO NH2. This is called as a semicarbazide. This is simply, it is also called as a urea. Actually amino urea derivative is nothing but this is semicarbazide also. It is aldehydes and ketones. It is simply water molecule liberated, and this is aldehydes, semicarbazone will be a form, or ketone semicarbazone will be a final product with liberation of water. Now here again there is a specific example, acetaldehyde, and acetaldehyde is taken, then semicarbazole, that is acetaldehyde semicarbazone will be a form. Zide will be there, here zone will be there, which will be became a double bond with liberation of water, H2O molecule. Here this is the H2O water. Now here another one is here, suppose acetone is react with semicarbazide to form that is acetone semicarbazone with here, that is simply we have to take this is the water molecule, this is the water molecule is liberated, and this is the acetone semicarbazone will be formed. Again coming to the mechanism, examiner will be asked that is a specifically explain the condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with semicarbazide, means just you have to put the Z value there, this value in the general mechanism, and you have to write that is all 3 steps. This is again homework for you people. You have to familiar to write by putting simply Z is equal to NHCO NH2. Now next come to the second property, that is first property over, that is condensation reaction of aldehydes and ketones with the derivative of ammonia. This is the first property. Now second property goes to, that is a reduction of aldehydes and ketones using lithium aluminum hydride. Now here aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to primary alcohol and secondary alcohol respectively using lithium aluminum hydride in ether medium to or as a strong reducing agent to form, that is a this is the by using a strong reducing agent in ether medium, that is a lithium alkyl halide. This is the strong reducing agent in ether medium to form, that is a primary alcohol or secondary alcohol depending on, that is a aldehydes and ketones. That is called as a reduction. Now here suppose this is nothing but general reaction. Again I have written, that is where aldehydes and ketones when undergo a reduction using that is lithium aluminum hydride. This is the strong, that is a reducing agent in ether medium to form. This will be a, it becomes a, actually here we will take, that is a 2 molecules of hydrogen, nascent hydrogen, and to form that is a CHOH group will be formed, that is a, it is a alcohol will be formed. Now example, specific example, when acetaldehyde undergo a reduction using lithium aluminum hydride means it is a primary alcohol will be formed, that is primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH. This is the primary alcohol, it is called as a ethanol will be formed. If suppose we are taken, that is a acetone undergo a reduction using lithium aluminum hydride to form, that is a propanone. Therefore here is CH3, that is CH, and this is CH3OH. This is the OH group is present at the secondary carbon atom. This is the this carbon atom surrounds one hydrogen, one OH group and two alkyl group. Therefore it is called as a secondary alcohol. And this is the here this is called as a secondary alcohol, or 2-degree alcohol it will be there, that is called as a secondary alcohol. Now here or it is also propanone. Propanone is the secondary alcohol. Here primary alcohol means here this carbon atom surrounds one alkyl group, two hydrogen atom and one OH group. Therefore it is called as a primary alcohol. It is called as a ethanol. This is about, that is a reduction of aldehydes and ketone using lithium aluminum as a strong reducing agent in ether medium to form, that is a alcohols. Now come to, that is a third reaction, that is a reduction of aldehydes and ketone using sodium borohydride. Now carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones only can be reduced on their alcohol without affecting on their functional groups such as CN or C double bond O or COH etc. using sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride in ether medium, it is act as a mild reducing agent. It is act as a mild reducing agent. Therefore, when acetaldehyde undergo a reduction using sodium borohydride to form, that is similar to, this is the primary alcohol. Again we take, that is a similar to, that is a lithium aluminum hydride. It act as a same as a reaction. Acetone it is undergo, it form, that is secondary alcohol. But suppose we take, that is this is the specifically it is taken as a this like group. When this is the here it is present at, that is here this group COO group will be there. This is the ketone, this is the COO group no here, and this will be group. This is the here it is takes place. It cannot be act on this group. This carbonyl group cannot be affected by using sodium hydroboride, and that is a sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. Now here this group only it undergo a formation of alcohol group and it is unaffected. Suppose in place of, in this reaction, suppose we are taking, that is a lithium aluminum hydride, then this group also became a alcoholic group, and therefore to avoid that one, it is a functional group protection group for, that is a ester group or acetate group or suppose cyanide group it is suppose, then will be a, it cannot be undergo a reduction this group, but this will be a carbonyl group undergo a reduction and such it is called as a mild reducing agent. Therefore, carbonyl compound will be formed, that is alcohol. Here this compound will be undergo a alcohol. It is a specific, and this is the complete. That is the third class. That is fourth class of aldehydes and ketones.